everyone, this is Shivani here. Welcome to my channel Shivani Creations. Today I am showing you how to make this super gorgeous 5 different styles of bracelets or friendship band for upcoming friendship day, and these are super duper easy to make. I have used paper quilling strips to create these gorgeous bracelets. So let's get started. Here I am starting with my first friendship band, and for this I am taking 1.5 strip of light yellow color in 3 mm and making one tight coil. My one strip length is 45 centimeters. So tight coil is ready. In the same way, I have already prepared some more tight coils using different colors of the strips. Now here I am writing alphabet F on this using my paintbrush, and here I am using gold gouache color. You can also use gold acrylic color. Maybe it's not completely visible in camera, but in real it's looking awesome. And now I'm just outlining this using black color marker. So this is done. Similarly, I have already written R I E N D to make the word friend. Isn't it an awesome idea? Now it's time to assemble this. So for this I am taking here pink color satin ribbon. You can use any color of your choice. Just we have to find out the center of the ribbon before sticking these tight coils. So I'm just folding the ribbon into half so that we have the center point. And now I'm adding some dots of glue, and I will start adding my letters. So I'm starting with the center letters like I and E, then on left and right side I will add remaining letters. And this is done. Allow it to dry for some time, and it's completely dried and super cool friendship day band is ready. You can create this in few minutes to gift it to your friend, and it also looks nice on your hand. So first band is ready. Now I am proceeding to the second band. For this I am taking here one strip of dark yellow color in 3 mm and making one tight coil. So tight coil is ready. Similarly, I have already prepared some more tight coils in dark yellow and dark pink color. Now to create the bracelet, here I am taking this white color thread. I have already created the knot in the bottom, taking 2 strands of thread. Then taking this silver jump ring, creating one knot here like this. Very easy. And then I will pass 2 small size pearls through this. Here I am using 3 mm pearls. Then passing one yellow color coil. Again 2 pearls. Then pink color coil, and so on. So in this way I will add all the coils alternatively. And I have reached to the last coil, just finishing it with 2 more small size pearls, and then attaching one more silver jump ring on other side. making some knots, passing it through again from the pearl and coil and creating some knot. Then I'm just cutting the excess thread, and this is done. Then here I'm taking yellow color satin ribbon, just folding this into half and passing through this jump ring. Make some knot. And this is done. Similarly, I'm attaching one more ribbon on other side. And the super cool friendship band is ready. You can create it in many colors as per your choice. It's looking very beautiful. Now I'm proceeding to the third friendship band. For this, here I am taking one strip of orange color in 3mm and I am wrapping it around my quilling tool and making one ring. So ring is ready. Similarly, I have prepared some white color rings as well. Now to join these rings, here I am taking this jump ring, which is little bigger in size. This is 6mm jump ring. So just passing two rings from this jump ring, secure it using plier. And in this way I am going to make chain of these quilled rings. So I am going to attach some more rings alternatively like this, and this is done. Now here I am taking 10mm jump ring and attaching on the end of the ring. Just secure it nicely. Then here I am taking one organza ribbon in peach color and then just passing from both the ends. And very attractive and super duper easy friendship band is ready. So this is also done. Now I am starting with my fourth friendship band. Here I am taking 1/4 strip of black color, half strip of blue color, half strip of white color and one strip of dark blue color. So to the white part I have created the tight coil. Then I have removed the tool and passing one silver color jump ring through this dark blue strip, just rotating it twice. And then exactly in the center point align to this, passing one more silver jump ring through the strip. And then we have to just pass the remaining strip from both the jump rings and complete the tight coil. Just secure the end using glue, and evil eye coil is ready. Similarly, I have prepared one more. Now just to join these two pieces together, open the ring, pass one more jump ring through this, and then attach this with another part of this coil. Very easy. So I have attached two coils, and with the same procedure I will connect remaining coils. So in this way I am going to attach 4 more evil eye coils with this chain, and I'm just completing this. So the chain is ready. Now it's time to make the lock. So on one part of this I am attaching one lobster clasp in silver color, opening this jump ring and securing this using plier, and the beautiful evil eye bracelet or friendship band is ready. Just you need to open the lobster clasp and connect with the jump ring. So this is also done. Now I am starting with my 5th friendship band. For this I am taking half strip of purple color and wrapping it around the backside of paintbrush and making one ring. So ring is ready. Now we just need to pinch it from both the sides to make leaf shape. Similarly, I have prepared 3 more. So I'm just joining all 4 leaves together to make the flower shape. And this is done. Then I'm taking half strip of light green color in 3 mm and making one tight coil. Like this, then taking one silver color jump ring, passing through the tight coil and securing this. And then I'm just sticking this tight coil with the flower. So I'm adding little glue between 2 petals and sticking this tight coil. Similarly, adding one more tight coil on other side. And this is done. Allow it to dry. Similarly, I have prepared total 6 pieces. Now it's time to connect these flowers together. So just passing one silver jump ring from both the coils and secure it. Is very easy to make this kind of quilled chain. And I will attach remaining flowers. So the beautiful bracelet is ready. I have prepared this according to my wrist size, but you can add or subtract the number of flowers as per your choice. So all 5 different styles of friendship bands are ready. They are looking very pretty and super cool. You can make it for your friends, for your BFFs, and I'm sure they will like it so much. So that's it for today. Hope you enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more interesting videos, and please click on bell icon for the latest updates and notifications. I'm waiting for your comments. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.